Hi. Friends, do you all often feel stifled in some environment, situations with people, or feel deeply buried into some kind of problem and not able to extricate yourself from that trouble? So, as long as we are actively thinking and breathing, we have a lot of avenues of change open to us, and there are a lot of choices available to us. If your proposals are getting rejected, your ideas are not being accepted, you're being made fun of, you're being poked, rebuked, when you express unhappiness, the muck is being thrown back on your face. It simply means that when people do not want to hear you, that they are not probably interested in your issues, they do not want to get involved in your issues, or they simply do not have any great ideas to offer you. So, for you, if apple is red and juicy, for them, apple may be green in color, sour, or maybe immediately iPhone comes to their mind. They are visualizing about laptop, or they are thinking about the logo of Apple. So each one is differently wired and each one experiences differently. What you may see and understand may be entirely different for them, the way they see and understand the situations. So it's giving you a feedback to move on from there. Life is not dependent on anyone but only on ourselves. Often we get so much worried, or we are scared, or we feel insecure about implementing certain ideas, and then we get stuck in that rut and we find ourselves difficult to come out of it. We get more and more buried, in fact, in that trouble. So one clear way to ensure that you are never stuck in negative states is by allowing yourself to see and accept different choices and positions. Condition yourself in such a way that you're always or constantly making proposals to yourself when you find yourself stagnating or reeling from unacceptable outcomes. Never say that that's it or I'm done. So, would you like to know how to extricate yourself from this rubble or from situations and people where you find yourself stifling or claustrophobic, not able to really think straight in difficult situations? Then join me in Neurolinguistic Programming Basic Practitioner course, which is starting on this May 22, which will run for 6 days, 3 weekends, culminating on June 6th. So friends, you can get in touch with me for the registration and other pricing details at 9940016374. I'm Shamla Jairam Sharma, Neurolinguistic Programming Master Trainer. Do share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.